In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can allow highlights here on Instagram. Before you do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But begin by opening up Instagram and tapping on your profile icon down in the bottom right corner. From here, select the three lines up in the top right corner. And then of course, what you need to do is find archive on here. So select archive and then make sure that you're viewing your story archive specifically. Choose whatever story it is that you want to turn into a highlight. For example, if we scroll up a little bit, we'll find something. Let's just go ahead and do this one right here, right? Select it, and you're going to see a highlight option down in the bottom right. Go ahead and select that. Oh, I guess we're doing this one right here. Name your highlight right here, whatever it is that you want. And of course, hit add. And what it'll do is it'll add the highlight to your profile just like so. I actually don't use highlights, but for example, if I go to someone who does, you'll see it all down there. It's going to be the full process right here. If you guys have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.